guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I'm Sophia Camarda, aka the owner of Camarda Crystals. If you haven't heard of it, here's a video all about it. Today's a really special day because I am showing you guys the winter collection. I am so hyped for this, like you guys don't even understand. This is one of my more unique launches and I feel like we should just get into it. So what I'm gonna do is walk you guys through the new products and talk about everything that's gonna be new to the website this season. Firstly, we are doing a relaunch of one of my favorite crystals of all time. It's called howlite. If you don't know much about crystals, it's basically a white stone that looks like marble. It is so clean. So technically this is kind of like a relaunch because we did have howlite on the website before. So firstly, we have a new bracelet and I'm really excited about this because the quality of these stones are so much better than what we used to have. As you can see, these stones have a really nice marble pattern and these bracelets do have a signature Camarda Crystals metal bead on it, which by the way is customizable. If you want to put it in the notes of your order, you can have a silver or a gold one. Gold would be so holiday vibes, by the way. So that's the new bracelet and I'm absolutely in love with it. I feel like it is so wintry. And then a new thing you might have noticed is this choker. If you are familiar with Camarda Crystals, we have a bunch of chokers. It's basically the same style, but there's a ton of different stones you can choose from, whatever resonates with you. But this is something a little different. As you can see, this one has a star on it instead of a regular bead. I cannot explain to you how obsessed I am with this choker. I feel like this is gonna be one of the favorite products of this launch. Like I can just sense it in my soul that you guys are gonna really like this one. So yeah, I'm really hyped about this star one. I think it's adorable. I love that it's something different. You guys have probably gotten used to the circle, little bead chokers. I'm excited to switch it up a bit. As you can see, we're doing big things. But if you guys are into the regular chokers as well, we do have that too. I am revamping that as well. All the new howlite chokers are gonna be with the new higher quality howlite stones instead of what we were doing. So I'll show you guys that as well. This is the one beaded choker. We have one bead chokers and then we have the classic, which is 3 beads. So here's the one beaded choker zoomed in. As you can see, the texture of the bead looks like marble, which is so adorable. It's just so nice. It's gonna match every single outfit and it's so simple. You guys always ask like what my favorite styles are. I really like the one beads, but if you are into the 3 bead, I'll show you guys that as well. So here's the 3 beaded choker and as you can see, it has 3 beads on it. Very self-explanatory. I feel like these chokers are such a staple of Camarda Crystals. Whenever people see this and they follow my channel, they know, oh, that's Camarda Crystals and that's really cool. So let me tell you a couple properties about howlite. It's really universally known for being like the stone of healing anxiety. It's very calming. So if you're in the need for some soothing, I really feel like this is the stone for you. And I'm just really excited about this stone. It's one of my favorites for a reason. I feel like it both has really good properties, but also is very aesthetically pleasing. And by the way, if you guys can't decide between the 2 chokers, we do have a bundle option where you could get both the 1 bead and the 3 bead for a bit of a discount. Also, the strings are customizable. If you don't like the black, we do have a variety of some nude strings. So now for the next product, this is something again very different and new. This is what I like to call the balance bracelet. I really found inspiration in the yin yang symbol when I was making this, but basically it's a bracelet with 2 different stones on it. So on one half it has clear quartz, but it has a matte texture and it's almost like a crackled finish, if you can even see that. When it hits the light, it is the coolest effect. Like this is such a pretty bracelet. On the other half, it has matte black onyx, which is another really powerful stone. So I really like this combination because black onyx is kind of known for being like a super grounding, protective stone. And then clear quartz is known for being very light, uplifting, cleansing. So I feel like it's the perfect combination. And again, very aesthetically pleasing. And I just think it's really cool to have something different on the website. I think you guys are gonna be really into this. It kind of gives me New Year's vibes with like the black and white. I really like it. And then lastly, you guys have been loving the keychains I've been putting out for the last, I think 2 launches now. They're limited edition. They're so cute. Everybody seems to obsess over them. So of course I had to bless you guys with another one. This one really speaks to me because it is so winter vibes. I call this the Icicle Keychain, but really what it is clear quartz. Again, one of my favorite stones of all time. I really like quartz. So here's what the new keychain looks like, and as you can see, it's super icy and it really looks like an icicle. I love the shape of it. It's super pointed. The surface of it is faceted, so it kind of catches the light and looks like ice, and it's so sick. Like, it's it's so clean. I really like this because it's really gonna suit a lot of people's style and it's gonna match everything. I really love that this whole collection is a lot of neutrals. I feel like it is such a perfect staple to any keychain. It really takes your keys from being keys to luxurious. Like, you set this down on the counter and people are gonna look at that and be like, wow, this person really has their shit together. So I suggest that you get these. But yeah, I just think it's perfect because the keychains are really awesome if you're not into jewelry, and it's really nice to be able to carry around crystals with you when you're on the go and not even really have to think about it. You look stylish while doing so. So I'm really obsessed with this. If you want a closer look, here's what the keychain looks like. Super icy. Some of them have little inclusions. A lot of crystals have this, but it's basically when you see rainbow flashes within the crystal. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but I love how each one is unique, and I think you guys are gonna love this one. So those are all the new products for the winter. I'm so in love with everything, and I really think you guys are gonna like this as well. And then lastly, as you guys know, 10% of every purchase benefits a new charity each season. So this season is going to be Heart to Heart International. They focus on health access and crisis relief mainly, so I feel like this is obviously fitting for everything going on right now. So I'm really excited about that and to be able to support them. Now, I do want to say that everybody who orders today on launch day, which is December 1st, you will get a free little gift in your package from me just to say thank you for being such a real one. And then we're also going to be having free shipping all week for US residents, again, as a thank you for being supportive and taking the time to check out the site as well as the channel. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what your favorite products are from the launch. I'm so hyped about this and I really appreciate you guys being here. So I'm so happy to be doing another launch with you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.